Hello friends, good morning. This is me Neeraj Kumar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Neeraj Chor. You guys, in this video I'm gonna speak on the very crucial topic. Yes guys, it is very important for everyone. Friends, if you are a student, if you are a businessman, if you are a teacher, if you are any kind of person, friends, you have to watch this video till the end. Why I am saying this? Because friends, by this video you will learn many things from this video. Guys, first of all I want to appreciate my audience, my dear audience. Thank you for clicking this video, thank you for visiting my channel. Friends, if you have visited my channel, please subscribe this channel and please like this video. Friends, why I am saying these all things? Because friends, if you click this video, if you watch this video, and if you like this video, and if you subscribe my channel, I will get more motivation to make new videos, to make more videos. Friends, in these days, I am also learning English. Why I am recording this video? I am recording this video because I want to improve my English. I want to be fluent in English. I want to be develop confidence. I want to be increase my personality. Friends, you can also do like all these things. Friends, so friends, without wasting time, let's get started. Friends, I am gonna talk about English language. Friends, English is a very important language in these days, in this time, for everyone. You also know that English is international language. It is spoken all over the world. It is spoken all India. Friends, English is very important. It is a crush all students. Friends, if you are a Hindi medium student, if you are English medium student, everyone wants to learn language, everyone wants to speak language. But friends, you can't afford for learning English. You can't afford for learning new some things. Friends, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to learn English easily and early. So friends, what is the base of learning English for everyone, for you? Friends, you also know English is a language. It is not subject, but our teacher teach us as a subject. They teach lot of grammar, they teach lot of so many things, but we could not understand all these things because they are teaching a subject. But friends, you really know that it is not subject, it is a language. You have to see its practical, how to use this sentence in practical. So friends, in a language there are four things: reading, writing, listening and speaking. There are four things in a language. First of all, you have to command all these things. If you want to improve your English, if you want to speak English in fluent manner, friends, you have to command all four things. Friends, first of all, we will talk about reading. Reading is a very important keys of learning a language. You friends, everyone read, everyone reads. You also read, I read, everyone reads. But friends, we read only meaning. We don't never read for language. We don't read for vocabulary. We only read for meaning. We only for read for examination. Friends, first of all, you have to understand these things, that if you read any passage, any book which is English, which is good for your speaking, for your reading. Friends, first of all, if you read any passage, you have to read one passage many times, like 20 times, 10 times. Friends, you don't read less times. Friends, because when you read again and again, when you read many times, that it can be till becomes a part of your memory. It is very important. Friends, this is for reading. You read newspaper only information. You don't read newspaper for learning new things, for learning language. You also know all grammars are in newspaper, but you have to find out all these things. Friends, this is all things how to read. Friends, now I am going to talk about listening. If you want to speak, first of all you have to listen. You have to listen. How will you listen? You also listen many things in English, but friends, when you listen any things, we translate many things to understand. But friends, we should not do all these things. We never translate English to understand English. We should not observe and translated person of English. Friends, when you listen anything in English, only listen English, only understand English to English. Don't translate. Learn all sentence, learn whole sentence and use it in your language. Friends, you have to listen every day. When you get up early in the morning, first of all you should listen. When you listen in the morning, because morning time is very good for doing anything, because your mind is fresh on that time. If you read anything, these things can stay for long time. Friends, if you there are so many speech you can listen. But friends, when you listen anything, you have to listen again and again till it becomes a part of your memory. Friends, you have to listen again and again. Listening. you know Now I am going to talk about writing. Writing is also very important thing for everyone. Friends, if you want to write, read you have to read lot of things. You have to read many passages. After that you can write. You have to understand how many sentences are used, how is the language is used in a language. You have to understand these things. If you want to write, you have to understand all these things. Friends friends, I want to say something. Suppose in which condition you get very angry with your friends. You are in a party, you get angry with your friends, you want to fight with them. But friends, according to me, you should not fight on that time, because fighting will create problems. Fighting will create so many problems for you. You should not fight with them on that time. First of all, please come back on your house and put it on your notebook and pen and start writing 20 sentences, 30 sentences. You will see after some time that your mind feel very relaxed, your mind feel very happy, because stress is away from on that place. But friends, it is very important. Writing is very important. How will you write well? You have to read. You should read essay. If you read essay, please understand one word how to use in this essay. One word, what is meaning carried. Friends, this is for reading. This is for writing. Friends, now I want to speak. Now, speaking is very important in a language. You know all these things, but you can't speak with anybody. You can't understand talks of anybody. But friends, it is bad impact for everyone. Friends, you know you will say, sir, I can't speak with anybody, friend, because we have no any friends. I want to speak English, but I can't speak English with anyone, because I don't have environmental of English. Friends, first of all, speak yourself. Speak to yourself, and after some time, listen it yourself. See how you look. See how many mistakes in your audio. Please check out. And some people say, sir, we can't speak English. Friends, if you missed some mistakes in English, don't worry. Please start in English. Even if you make some mistakes, it is not, don't worry. You have to start first of all. It is very important can that you have to start. You friends, please record your voice and listen your voice and see how you look. And it is very important. Friends, many day impacts. Friends, this is very important. Now I'm gonna talk what is important of language. Friends, 30 years back, 40 years back, English didn't have so important. It was a just subject. Friends, in present time it is very important. If you want to get any type, if you want to get any type of job, first of all you should know English. It is primary requirement of any job. you know I am sure there is no in the world who does not want to be successful. You also know, if you want to impact the world, first of all you have to learn English language. Friends, English is very important for everyone. Friends,